This is Elizabeth, and welcome back to GrowthWheel Online.
In this video, I'll introduce you to GrowthWheel. It's a toolbox for entrepreneurs and businesses to make decisions and take action. GrowthWheel is a hybrid platform, both online and on paper, so you can use it either way, whatever works best for you and your style. The 4 colors in the wheel are a symbol of the 4 challenges you have in your business, regardless of the industry you're in, from fashion to food to high tech. You also have them no matter what life stage your business is in, whether pre-startup or high growth. And you have them regardless of whether you're a 1-person or a 100-employee business. GrowthWheel is a visual way to look at your business. The first challenge you have is to create an attractive business concept. How do we create something, a product, a service, or technology that others want to buy? The second challenge is to establish a strong team of owners, managers, employees, and partners who can develop and deliver the business concept. But even though you have a great business concept and a solid team of people and partners, the revenue only comes from one place, your customers. So the third challenge is to build lasting customer relations. Get new customers, keep them, and grow them. And finally, we need to make money and maintain profitable operations. For most companies, this means managing costs and cash flow, making investments that pay back, and securing enough working capital to ensure high productivity. GrowthWheel breaks down the 4 challenges into 20 focus areas. This gives you a full 360-degree perspective on your business, so you can avoid blind spots and make smarter decisions. And it looks like this. In this way, we get the GrowthWheel framework, which is nothing but a checklist. A checklist in a circle with colors on it. It's a checklist to help us figure out how to grow the business. And the way to grow your business is to think through the decisions you need to make and actions you need to take. Sometimes the barriers for moving forward is that decisions have not been made. Some decisions facing your business could include, should you launch a new product or service next month? Who should you hire next? And how much capital do you need for the next 18 months? But we also need to take action, because nothing happens until we take action on them. So if you're going to launch a new product or service, maybe you need to create a release plan first. Or maybe you need to interview sales associates or make some cash flow scenarios. So as an entrepreneur, you want to connect your decisions and actions to move forward. But there's so many. So the first decision is about prioritizing what to do now and what to do later. This is where the GrowthWheel checklist helps. By giving you a 360-degree view on your business, you can better choose the things to do first. And so you have a structured language to have this conversation with your GrowthWheel certified business advisor and the people around you. Regardless of what life stage your business is in, you will have these challenges. The scale may be different. One business may be hiring their first employee, while another business is hiring 15 employees a month. But the challenges are the same at their core. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the 20 focus areas and how they apply to your business. Until then, this is Elizabeth with GrowthWheel, and we'll see you soon.